Hey there, Genius Junkies! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create consistent designs in Canva with a few simple steps. Consistency is key to making your designs look professional, and I'll guide you through how to do it easily. Let's jump right in. Set up your brand colors. First, start by setting up your brand colors. If you have a Canva Pro account, go to the brand kit and add your brand's colors. If you're using the free version, choose a color palette that matches your brand. Stick to these colors in all your designs for a consistent look. Use templates for consistency. To make things even easier, use Canva's templates. Find a template that fits your style, customize it with your colors and fonts. Choose consistent fonts. Next, pick one or two fonts that represent your brand. In Canva, select your fonts and use them consistently across all your designs. For example, use one font for headings and another for body text. This keeps your designs looking cohesive and easy to read. Align elements neatly. Now, make sure everything in your design is aligned properly. Canva has alignment tools that help you line up text, images, and other elements. Just drag your elements around until you see the pink alignment lines. This will ensure everything is perfectly aligned and evenly spaced. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can create consistent, professional-looking designs in Canva. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more easy Canva tips. Thanks for watching, Genius Junkies!